Hi there, welcome to the next video. In this video, we will learn what are components and versions, how to configure components and versions in projects, how to specify components and versions when creating and updating the issues. Components are subsections of a project. They are used to group issues within a project into smaller parts. For example, in automobile project, there are four components: chassis, engine, transmission system, and body. When creating issue, we assign the related component to that issue. For example, issue 6, issue 9, and issue 11 are related to engine component, so we assign engine component to these issues. From the project page, navigate to your project. Then select Component menu on the left side. Click Create Component. Specify the name of component, for example, Component 1. You can assign the description of the Component 1 and assign the component lead, piscine, and add the default assignee to component lead. When the issue is created and specify the component as Component 1, that issue will automatically assign to component lead. Click Save. Let's create a new task and select Component 1. Hit Create. The issue is automatically assigned to Piscine, who is component lead. Let's also add Component 1 to the existing issue. Click Show More Detail and add Component 1. When clicking Add Component 1, it will list all issues which have Component 1 specified, so that you can know which issue related to this component. Version is a set of features and fixes released together at a single update. For example, Automobile Project version 1, Automobile Project version 2, Automobile Project version 2.1. We have two types of versions in Jira. FX version. FX version is the version in which a bug or problem was found. Fixed version is the version where you plan on releasing a feature or bug fix to customers. For example, the bug SSP25. Let's open in a big window. You find that the bug SSP25 occurs in version 1, so you set the effect version to version 1. After developer fix the bug SSP25, then they will change the status of the bug to done. He will set fix version to version 2. To create version, go to Backlog, then select Versions in vertical side. Hit Create Version. Set the name of version. For example, version 3.1. You can add description, start date, and release date for the created version. Hit Create. And to assign fixed version to the existing issue, you simply drag and drop the issue to that version. That's it for adding components and versions. In the next video, let's have a look how to search issue in Jira.